Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Andreux. On this channel, you will learn technology, cybersecurity, and ethical hacking through practical step-by-step tutorials designed for beginners and beyond. If your Kali Linux is running slow after installing it in VMware, or your mouse pointer isn't working properly, this video could save you hours of frustration. The fix was much simpler than I thought. Let's dive in. So after installing Kali Linux, I was excited. But after opening it, I noticed something wasn't right. So let's open it to see. Power on this virtual machine. Yes, so you can see even the mouse pointer has vanished and everything seems slow. So let's log in to see. You see, I can see the mouse pointer on the screen, you see. So can you see that? Let me try opening an application. You see, it's very difficult to navigate. Can you see that? I want to close this, but I can't see the mouse pointer. Can you see that? It's very frustrating. Okay, so let's check the real problem. Let me close this. Let me close the virtual machine. So power off. Yes, just power off. And let me open it again. So you can see this, upgrade this virtual machine. So click on it. Next. So you can see that it is using workstation 8.x. So we have to update this to the latest version. So I have selected the 25H2 or later. So next. So change this to alter this virtual machine. So select this one. Then next. Finish. Then close. So let's power on the machine again. So power on this virtual machine. Okay, so Kali. So you can see the mouse pointer is working now. It's working very smoothly. Can you see that? So let's log in to see. You can see the mouse pointer is working. So we can go to home and select any application. Can you see that? So we can select any application here. So we can select the web browser. So you can see it is working very smoothly. Okay. So before you reinstall Kali Linux or spend hours changing random settings, check if your VMware Workstation is up to date. It only took some few minutes. You can see that. So if you have same issue, I hope this video helps you too. And that's it for today. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss the next tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I read every single one. Until next time, keep learning. I will see you in the next video.